This week's Wonder of Science Wednesday sure is a sweet one. We head to Wayside Elementary, where students learned about the changing states of matter by baking banana bread.
Hi, my name is Jade Jimenez, and I am a 5th grade teacher here at Wayside. So today was all about matter and the way it changes. Okay, so it's a chemical reaction. In this case, we're making banana bread, and it's cool for the kids to see the before and the after. Really, none of the matter leaves, it just changes its form.
What makes the bread right? Flour? Salt?
No.
Cinnamon?
No.
Sugar?
No. Flour.
Baking powder?
Yes.
I think it's important for them to really understand that science is not just a very, very difficult topic that they might never understand. It's actually something we do every day.
So then after that, vanilla.
I really liked it because I really wanted to become a cook. My favorite part was when you mashed it with your partner.
They love the hands-on stuff, and whenever we get a chance to do that with Twig, it seems like it's a lot more opportunities. They love it. They like to, do it themselves and really understand the actual concepts rather than just looking in a book, doing some reading. And I think it's fun. I think they all get to experience something they might not have experienced before.
We bake, we mix the ingredients. We had salt, baking powder, flour, I think, and like cinnamon. And it was cool to bake because I never tried to bake. I thought I was gonna burn my house down. My favorite part about the experiments is mixing all the ingredients because it was really cool.
I was really thankful for them to involve me in their project. If it comes out clean, it's what?
Ready. When you first try it, it tastes like a little off, but then as soon as the taste gets in, it starts tasting good. It's good.
I mostly taste banana.
It tastes banana bread. I think it tastes good.
I enjoyed it, every minute of it, and it made me really proud that they were really happy in what they did.
Thank you again for joining us as we explore the field of science throughout our district. Until next time, keep wondering.